Hey, these are what people painted on their emblems, on their guns. Is that creative? Let's see another one. Whoa, what the heck? That's pretty creative, yeah. Want a gun like that? That's kind of creative. How about this? Oh, what the heck? Patrick. Whoa, what the heck is that? That's kind of cool looking. Creative. Whoa, what the heck is that? Does anyone know? Oh, Charizard. Oh shit, that's cool. Charizard gun. Bloody knife. Oh, that's creative. That's pretty cool. Come on, what else is there? Ah, dude, what's taking so long? What the heck? Oh, that's stupid. What the heck? That's stupider. It's just marks. That's stupid, yeah. I like that one. Let's see, they made a weird little rainbow. It's kind of like a rainbow. Oh, with the little dude. That's kind of funny. Oh, Pac-Man. Pac-Man eating the ghost. Oh, guys, that's sick. Pac-Man and the ghost. A weird pink color. A weird thing. Oh, dude, that's the coolest. Who made this? Pink Panther? Dude, that's slick. Whoever did that was smart. I like that one. Pink Panther X. What's this one? That's stupid. Y'all like this? That's stupid. What the heck is this? Who Fallout 4? It's like Conan O'Brien. That's stupid. It's like Dark Matter. Whoa, what the heck is that? Is this a weird blue? Is this cool? Oh, what the heck is that? Stupid. Dang. That's pretty sweet, actually. Imagine getting killed by that. That's kind of neat. The little patterns. Whoa, he wanted a detail. There's like a rainbow and some other shit. Just a normal knife. Whoa, what the heck? That's bright. Just a normal knife. I guess, oh, Pikachu. Pokemon. Yes, dude, that's the coolest gun. Gotta catch them all. Oh, that one, Deadpool? That's kind of neat. It's got blood all over it. Oh, I see his mask. Oh, sweet, guys. Look. Deadpool, that's pretty creative. What the heck? Oh, he put the letters on the brass knuckles. That's funny as hell, dude. Look. Oh, dude, I like that.